You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
Of course, Nine Night is a tradition that we've all grown up and been a part of or heard of. And music is an important part of such an event, whether it is comfort, whether it's for unity, and it's also for celebration. Now we have the band leader of the UPSETTA Band, Demetrius, and he's here to talk to us about how the music in a nine-night setting affects that entire vibe and how important it is. So welcome to the daytime, my first.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
When I talk about a nine-night setting, of course, there's something that we always hear that it's lively and all that. Which songs typically persons want to hear, or it really encompasses the vibe of a night?
All right, so you know that nine-night is done in segments. So after the gospel, the ska, and the mento.
No, we don't know now. You have to
all right, so let me tell you. So when you start a nine-night, you start with gospel to, incorporate the presence of God.
Right.
And afterwards, you're going to ska. Then to the moment that everybody has been waiting for, the mento.
Right.
After the mento, we have reggae segment. And one song that everybody wants to hear, Picture on the Wall by Freddie McKay. Yeah, there's a picture hanging on the wall. That song.
It's a staple.
Right, it's needed.
Nine-night and nine-night without
that song.
No nine-night is a nine-night without the picture on the wall.
The importance of music, though, in celebrating our loved ones. How did that tradition come about, and why is it so important that we continue that going forward?
So nine-night started with, persons who come together with their pot covers and their shakers. Now it has evolved to a band setting. We have keyboards, drum, bass, guitar. Now the music is very important because music is therapy.
Yeah.
It allows people to get a chance to meditate on the memories of their loved ones. People get a chance to express themselves in a way where it's unrestricted. With unrestricted, but in a moderate way.
But Demetrius, you're going to give us a little bit of that vibe.
Taste of that.
You can go set
all right.
up.
Thank you very much.
What will your number for persons who want to
all
do
right,
the band?
so the number for the
UPSETTA
UPSETTA Band is 829-6702.
You have a social media?
Right, so it's UPSETTA, UPSETTA_band.
UPSETTA
All
Band.
social media platforms.
All social media platforms.
All right, you're going to show you why them for book, Listen up. All right, good stuff.
Alrighty. All right, run up, Demetrius, can we go get a taste of what UPSETTA Band is on a nine-night?
Remember this edition of Daytime Live, July 17th, is the final Daytime Live before Argentina lose.
And that's why we continue to win.
For I want to go to heaven when I die.
Fabulous weekend. The UPSETTA Band is going to take us out. Me and Deja go over the song. Enjoy yourself.
Have a good one.
So come. UPSETTA. Get it up.
On ready? Diggy ding diggy. Rock some night no. UPSETTA, we are go roll. Jordan roll. Say roll, Jordan roll. Diggy dee do. Diggy diggy dee die there. Diggy diggy dee dad. And everybody fear dance, everybody. And everybody fear dance, and everybody. For we want to go to heaven when I die. We go here. Rock up your body. Rock up your body. I want you to rock up your body. Rock up your body. Rock up your body. Wanna come now? Say hold me right on. Jesus hold me right on. Oh Lord, make you hold me right on. I'm soon right hand now. I'm say hold me right on. Jesus hold me right on. Oh Lord, make you. Chilale, 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 lale, lale, chilale, lala. Diggy ding, diggy ding, di dong, di do. Diggy diggy ding, di ding, di do. Diggy diggy dee, die day. Diggy diggy dee, die day. I'm Mr. Chilale, Come now, give me the hill and gully ride, oh. Hill and gully ride. Give me the hill and gully ride, oh. Give me the hill and gully ride. Lord, I want your hill and gully ride. Oh, you want your hill and gully ride. Oh, you want to bend down low. 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 Hill and gully. I am giving you a warning. Look at the night now. And your name is calling. Giddy, 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 giddy. So you got to be prepared. Jesus Christ is in the air. Say the mighty one now come. Say come for. I want you to rock up your body now. I want you to come down now. I want you to come down now. In the good of the night, when the back against the wall, me no have no friend to call. Jesus taught me how to pray. In the cool of the night, diggy diggy, dig today, diggy diggy, dig today, diggy diggy, dig today. Down in the cool of the night, when the back against the wall, we no have no friend to call. Jesus taught me how to pray. In the what the people else were upset and say, you go rock two sides. We are gonna rock two sides. Rock two sides. Me say you think me no know. Me say you think me no know. Me say you think me no know. Me a rock on the rumba. Me a rock on the rumba. Me a rock on the rumba. Move it on the rumba. I me a put it on the rumba. Riggy diggy ding 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 ding. Shiggy diggy ding 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 ding. Put it on the rumba. So put it on the rumba. We are dance for 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 the rumba.
You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.